Next thing you do, I just use a piece of insulation because it's abrasive. Use lacquer thinner. What lacquer thinner does is it takes off all the little marks and scars that you might have. See the little scratches right here? They disappear. Now a caulk. This is called NovaGuard. It's low modulus silicone. It's got a 50-year warranty on it. Low modulus versus high modulus is all the difference in the world. High modulus, you can peel off. I guess you've seen in the bathroom how sometimes you can peel off silicones. This you can't. This is sticky. In fact, it's real sticky. Make sure you get it right the first time.